Hello, here we have two Noctua fans, one for the case and the other one for the tower cooler. I have only two type of them. The 80 millimeter fan for the case, that if you can actually see it here, is the successor of the award-winning NFR8. And the thing that I like in Noctua fans that you can actually open the box and can see what it is inside. Really cool feature. Let me see. Yeah, so you have four screws, five anti-vibration mounts, they are called. Interesting. And yeah, you also have extensions. You also have the splitter and an extension. All right. Also, this inside you can see more instructions over here. Let me focus. Yeah, you can pause the video and read it if you want it. So let's see what is inside. I'll put this one over here. So here it is, the fan. As you probably thought, this 80 millimeter fan is quite tiny, but it's perfect for the case that I have. Or any other cases. I mean, you can even make a hole in the case and just put this 80 millimeter fan so that you will introduce more air or extract more air from your case. The Noctua fans have very low noise. This one, I presume it can go, let's see the specification here. This one has the airflow between 55.5 and 43.9, and the acoustical between 13.8 and 17.7 decibels, which is very low and nice. So this was the fan. Here is the splitter. So all the cables are covered with a synthetic sleeve, which is quite nice and handy. And this is the biggest extension, and another tiny one. And of course the screws. They said they have five of them, but I see here it's only four. Not sure why. Yeah, it's only four. Maybe they had before, and this edition has limited to only, yeah, probably they have up until here, but now they put only four. Not sure why. So this, it is a NFA15, which is a 150 millimeter fan. It is ideal for 140 millimeter CPU coolers. It's quite handy. So what does it mean? It means that the mountain screws are positioned at 120 millimeter diameter. Here it is, the fan. It's really cool looking. So you can put it at 120 millimeter, like you'll mount the 120 millimeter fan. This is the best thing for this fan. So it has here the vibration resistant and the 4-pin connector with a synthetic sleeve, and of course it also has the Y cable or the splitter, another cable. You can focus. Low noise adapter, it says. And extension cable. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, and I wish you a nice day.